E-radio info.
Ozempic, semaglutide, is a medication approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for the treatment of type 2 diabetes. It belongs to a class of drugs known as GLP-1 receptor agonists. While Ozempic is primarily used to manage blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes, some people may experience weight loss as a side effect of using the medication. If you're considering using Ozempic to aid in your weight loss efforts, it's crucial to do so under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Here are some important considerations. 1. Consult a healthcare professional. Before starting Ozempic or any other prescription medication for weight loss, consult with your doctor or endocrinologist. They can assess whether the medication is appropriate for your specific health needs and goals. 2. Follow the prescribed dosage. Take Ozempic exactly as prescribed by your healthcare provider. It is usually administered by injection, and the dosing schedule can vary. 3. Monitor your blood sugar. If you have diabetes, it's important to continue monitoring your blood sugar levels regularly as instructed by your healthcare provider, especially during the initial phases of Ozempic use. 4. Healthy eating. While Ozempic may help with weight loss, it is not a substitute for a healthy diet. Continue to follow a balanced and calorie-controlled eating plan that supports your weight loss goals. 5. Regular physical activity. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Exercise can enhance the weight loss effects of Ozempic and contribute to overall health. 6. Be patient. The weight loss effects of Ozempic may vary from person to person. Some people may experience rapid weight loss, while others may see more gradual results. Be patient and continue your treatment plan as directed. 7. Adverse effects. Be aware of potential side effects associated with Ozempic, such as gastrointestinal symptoms, nausea, diarrhea, and discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider. 8. Regular follow-up. Keep in touch with your healthcare provider for regular follow-up appointments to monitor your progress, adjust your treatment plan if necessary, and address any concerns. 9. Safety precautions. Inform your healthcare provider of any other medications, supplements, or medical conditions you have, as they can affect your treatment with Ozempic. It's essential to understand that while Ozempic may help with weight loss, it is not a standalone solution for weight management. A holistic approach that includes lifestyle modifications, such as diet and exercise, is critical for long-term success. Additionally, Ozempic is primarily approved for individuals with type 2 diabetes, and its use for weight loss in people without diabetes may be off-label. Always consult with your healthcare provider to determine if Ozempic is a suitable option for your specific situation.